back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
You got the WorkSafe 09 machine, as that's going to be Anthony Carter on the Speedway. Good to have him here in competition tonight. There's that number 11 machine, old Lenny Bates. As Lenny Bates is going to be hitting the front stretch, we got him on the point as we are finally ready to get things started here at Mountain Motor Speedway. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for coming out. Steve Stallings in the number 17 machine all the way down to the backstretch, getting ready to roar in through here for his session of hot laps. So as we're ready to get things fired off here tonight, and we're getting a little bit of more track prep to get a couple more cars out here for some of these hot lap sessions. So we're going to see what we can turn here tonight, as Chesney will be there. You also got Anthony Carter. You got Lenny Bates out there, and you will have the Z1 of Philip Ramirez. In that 00 machine and a Larry Wright Trucking and Company machine, you'll have Keaton Smith in the Aiken Ridge number 7K. Bailey Lowe is going to be in that Flat Rock number 727. Badness on the door of that awesome race car. You got Zach Size in the number 9 machine, and I'm going to tell you what, the crowd's going to go wild as the number 1, Brandon Fouts, is going to be joining us here for your hot lap sessions. So we got enough cars on the Speedway. We're ready to start things off here for hot laps for the American All-Star Series Pro Late Models, as we're ready to go for the Mountain Motor Speedway here tonight. As green and yellow, we're going to buzz the racetrack off here until the drivers give us a thumbs up. Darren Slow, and I believe, is going to be in the 99. You also have Josh Dietz going to be joining us in that number 9 machine after he had a rough time at Beckley Speedway. Dust is flying on the Speedway already here at the Mountain Motor Speedway early, as it's still Trevor Sines with a 1700. Lenny Bates will be second quick at this time. Joshua Chesney at this time. So as you guys are continuing on, Lenny Bates is still going to be your quick time overall with a 16.371. 16.371 for Lenny Bates. Trevor Size will be second quick at this time of the night. 16.558. 16.558. So they're still buzzing the racetrack off here a little bit to let these drivers get a... So Chesney's going to be the lead car going into this one. As we are looking at those laps, it was Lenny Bates so far the quick time overall. Oh, we got the 09 machine of Anthony Carter slow down to the backstretch. Looks like he's going to get it together, as he will fire off in turn 3 and 4. And we will start hot laps here for the American All-Star Series. So far, looking at the lap times for the hot lap sessions, Ryan Smith out there with a never mind, it's going to be there a lot fast times, as it's going to be Trevor Size with a 14.329. 14.329 for Trevor Size. As Trevor Size still going to be your quick time overall at this time with a 14.326. Checkered flag in the air for Mr. Chesney. It'll be Brayson Fulton, and throughout the field, 6:08 going to be your field for your American All-Star Series hot laps. Session number 2 coming out on the Speedway, the number 71 of Tyler Hoy. On the outside of this one, you'll have AJ Hicks in the number 10 machine. You will have the 00 machine. It'll be Austin McCown. After that, it's going to be the number 7K of Keaton Smith. You got Bailey Lowe in the number 727 machine. Bryson Fleming in the Veteran Land Management number 14F will be on the Speedway. And it's going to be Zach Size at number 9 from the Lacey Speed Shop. as we're going to go green on the 10 as everybody's all spread out, ready to go. AJ Hicks is going to be the lead car here for your warm-up session number 2 for the American All-Star Series. Green flag is in the air. Can anybody beat Trevor Sides' time of the 14.326? 14.326 is the time to beat. As warm-ups continue, everybody's starting to fan out, spread out. Everybody's getting on the throttle as it is all Trevor Sides so far. Your quick time overall. So far, everybody's running about the middle of the speedway. Dust is absolutely flying in between the corners of turn 3 and 4 and turns 1 and 2. Sport Mods, you'll be up next. Sport Mods, USMPA Sport Mods, you will be up next after the Mini All-Stars Heat Racing. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a lot of those t-shirts out there. Brandon Fouts on the turns 1 and 2. You'll have Darren Sloan at number 99. It will go to the number 9 of Josh Dietz. Going to be on the Speedway. It's number 12 of Jack Jarrell in the Scott Bloomquist rack. I believe that's a Double J Farms ride. Steve Stallings in the number 17. Matthew Porter in the Porter Services number 19P. And your current point leader in the car care out of Honaker, Virginia. And it's going to be the Earnest Performance 002 of Tyler Arrington. He's also your current PPM points leader with that yellow spoiler on the back of this race car. So as Brandon Fouts going to be the lead car, can he beat Zach Sides' time of the 14.163 in hot laps? White flag in the air. Zach Sides and Trevor Sides lead the board as Zach Sides with the 14.163. Trevor Sides with the 14.326 at this time. So far, nobody's really coming close. Josh Dietz with the 14.